Meaning of hollandaise sauce.
Hollandaise sauce.
Hollandaise sauce.
Hollandaise sauce.
Hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce is a French emulsion sauce made with egg yolks, lemon juice, butter, and seasonings. It has a rich, velvety texture and a tangy and buttery flavor. The sauce is commonly used as a topping for eggs Benedict, vegetables, fish, and poultry dishes. Hollandaise sauce is known for its delicate balance of flavors and requires careful preparation to prevent curdling or breaking. It is a classic sauce in French cuisine and is enjoyed worldwide for its luxurious texture and versatile flavor.